The pruning of English rose trees is similar to that of rosebush shrubs, but it's more drastic. To prune an English rose tree, first prune the rose tree to clean it up and thin it out. Keep only the most vigorous branches. After that, proceed to a flower-inducing pruning to get nicer roses. Eliminate old or damaged branches, as well as those touching or crossing each other. Also remove several old scaffold branches to retain only between 5 and 9 of the most vigorous branches. Cut back to 3 buds, secondary branches that will bear flowers. Prune as close as you can to the bud to reduce presence of dead wood later on. Cut slantwise so that rainwater runs off from the cut mark, otherwise the bud might rot or freeze.